Good morning, everyone. I am Jaymin Soni, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Gokul Global University, Singapore. Today, I will deliver a lecture on important topic of inventory management. Inventory management is the process of storing, ordering, and controlling the inventory efficiently. Inventory include a raw material, work in progress, and finished goods. It's mainly three type of answer of question: when to order, what to order, and how much to order. Important of inventory is it's avoid shortage in production, it's improve cash flow, it's ensuring customer behavior. There are two types of inventory: direct inventory and indirect inventory. Direct inventory is prefer the item is directly include in production and the part of final products, example raw materials and components. Indirect inventory is include a use of production but not part of final production, like example machine oil, lubricants, office supply, etc. Inventory modeling measuring in three type of cost: ordering cost, shortage cost, and holding cost. Then EOQ. EOQ means economical order quantity. Economical order quantity is used the optimal order quantity is minimize total cost. Then recorded level. Recorded level say that the when to place a new order that avoid stock shortage. Then important topics of inventory where inventory management use: manufacturing industry, e-commerce business, hospitals, retail business. Mathematical major role play in inventory modeling: optimization modeling, statistical and forecasting, probability and forecasting. To conclude, the inventory model help to reduce cost, ensuring smooth operation. Combination mathematics with management to lead decision making better. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.